Hey Stampers, Gaynor again. I got a lovely parcel today from the gorgeous Gloria Wolf, who is now making these beautiful glue toppers for the mini glue bottles. I've chose the red and the blue. I did say I like the purple as well, so if there's a pack left, I got this beautiful parcel, and she sent loads for ladies who want them in the UK. So this one is reserved for our gorgeous Ian. He asked for purple, and it's got a beautiful gorgeous purple with a pinky purple as well. So I don't know if I can get there. Oh, you can see the colour there. But there's that one. There's these beautiful sea green bluey, absolutely beautiful. And one looks slightly darker than the other one as well. Absolutely stunning. I've got to pop up. Then you've got these beautiful cerise and then like a coral pink. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Again, we've got some beautiful greens. This is a sagey green. This is more of a forest green. Absolutely gorgeous. There's the other purple and the pink, which is the same as this one but switch round. So, and then there's this beautiful, like a teal blue and a gorgeous golden yellow. Absolutely stunning. So anyone in the UK would like these. I think Gloria sells them for $5 for a pack of 2. So you get 2 in each packet. So, and obviously then it's P&P. Which is about, don't quote me, I'll have to go to the post office. I haven't been to the post office in a long time, so that's seems to be. I think they're about $1.85 for the postage and packaging. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5, say, but this one's reserved. But I'll reserve this one for Ian, and if there's any spare, then I will. But these came as well. This was the first one I opened. And our beautiful Gloria gets the paper pumpkin, which we don't get over here in the UK. You get this chance to make 4 gorgeous cards in that style. 4 beautiful cards in that style. And these gorgeous tags. She hasn't stamped on any of them because I think she's left them open for me to come up with my own sentiments. This is the love. I think it's very similar to the Love You in here, which is from, oh, I can't think what it's called. So you've got the word love there. I could probably trim that out and still have the word love, which would fit there. Or I could just use the word love you instead. That's quite cute. What's that called now? Let me have a look. See, it is called, when I can find it, Thoughtful, oh my goodness, it's covered over. Thoughtful Moments, and it comes with an embossing folder, the dies, and you've got a brayer, but I found it was easier to just, and I actually cut quite a few out, so it comes from there. I think that would go beautiful. So she sent me the envelopes as well. Absolutely stunning. So look at this. She sent me one of each of the kit, one card out of each of the kits to make each one of these cards. She sent me the glue dots, which she knows I absolutely adore. There's the label to add this beautiful, oh, the word love's in there, look. Oh, I love that. Look at that. I don't have to use that now. Oh, I didn't spot that earlier. You've got these gorgeous lavenders. You've got, see, now the word with is not on there. But you've got these gorgeous leaves. You can add these on here. Absolutely beautiful. This then will cut across that massive label. Like so, and the word love can go across there, and it goes on this beautiful card base. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. But look, if you look on the back, it matches the envelope. But if you cut this down, you'd have 2 card bases to make 2 different cards. And I think that's what I might do, is make some alternative cards with these. So thank you for the glue dots, Gloria. I love them. Look at me holding it down there. I love the glue dots. You know I do. So isn't that absolutely beautiful? They are plain inside, which is perfectly fine. So let me just pop that back in there. And then she sent me the other card. And I think the kit's in here as well for the label. Yeah, look at that. But you take this out. You make the tag with one part of it, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then this fits on the card. I think one of the smaller leaf is for this tag. The label is for this tag. And then you get this gorgeous leaf and the lavender again. I think it's the lavender. I never bought this lavender suite. I bought the perennial postage. And then there's a label there then for me to put a sentiment on. And this one says Happy Valentine's Day, but I think I can turn that into something else. But look at the card again. It's got polka dots on. It matches the designer series paper that comes from the lavender set, more or less. And then you've got the beautiful tag as well. Let me have a look at that lavender paper. Give me 2 seconds, girls. Yeah, I bought the paper. And I didn't buy the stamp set, but I bought the perennial postage. So look at this. I could add some of these, make totally different. That's very similar to the... Oh, it's polka dots. But I thought it was very similar. You've got the gingham. You've got the purple and the greens. Look at this beautiful paper. No polka dots, but I think this one, either the gingham or these little leaves would look beautiful on there as well. So there's either one more card I can make, or I can cut these things apart and make another beautiful, probably 1 or 2 cards, because there's double leaves, there's double lavenders. So I'm going to pop them to one side. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much, Gloria. These are absolutely stunning. And the instructions are inside. Absolutely gorgeous. And the colour and the pictures on the front. Love that. And then we've got this kit as well. I wish we had these kits, because I like to do a fair bit to these kits. So we've got, I think that one's in an acetate box, but that you make 3 beautiful cards. You've got this card here, and then this gorgeous card here, and the envelopes, which if you look at that, you could slice that off there and add that to a card front, and you've got a totally different card. Plus, you've got this patterned paper. You could slice that off and angle it right behind and cut that flower out, tuck that behind, and you've got another different card. Oh, beautiful ideas running through my head. And then there's the pattern one, which is this one here. And this reminds me of this week's sketch, actually. You've got the circle to make your sentiment. And then look at these beautiful flowers. Absolutely stunning to go top and bottom. And if I look on my phone, well, it was on there just a minute ago. This is this week's sketch. So it reminded me of a nice banner. Maybe cut that card down and have something different on the outside. And maybe that would turn into this week's sketch. But it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely so. Or I could use that pattern, which is on the sketch, to dress the edge of this card, add the sentiment there, and then I try my banner and a sentiment, and then what's the other bit there, and then a little flower up the top, which this would tuck under and make a beautiful flower piece just on the top, and add my banner, and that would go for this week's sketch. So my head was ticking over quite a bit, so I'll pop that back in there so I don't lose anything. Gloria, these are absolutely stunning. And then we have this one. I love. They got little gold tones, and this is on both sides of the card. Again, you could trim this down and make 2 card fronts. I've only got 1 label, but I can make this. I could layer up some gold and white cardstock, slightly bigger, get a circle punch and punch out the corners, and then trim the sides down. And look at these beautiful flowers, absolutely stunning. I think so. This one matches here with this beautiful flower and this overlay to make 1 card. And like I was saying, I could do the same with another one. And this got some little sequins, and I've got these sequins which retired ages ago, and they have the pinks. They also have the blues that match this, and they got some beautiful sparkle in there. And you also get the green as well, so either the green or the blue would match this card. Oh, I like it. Let's put the green in first. Oh, let's just pop them in like that. These retired ages ago, but I bought them just before they were in the clearance. So I got those sequins. I could cut down some of the other flowers and get 2 cards. So watch this space. And then, oops, let me slide that in there. Love of the pattern. It's beautiful. And then this one is the other card. This is the first card. Again, it's got its pattern front and back. It reminds me of frost, even though it's not a frosted card, I don't think. But there's the banner. I could use that on the one with the circle to cut down as a banner to go on the first card. You know, like this one I was showing for this week's sketch. That could go like that with this banner piece, the sentiment, and then I've obviously got the flowers, but what a good idea. Let me get those back inside before I lose them. I just thought that was the most sweetest thing she could send. It was just absolutely stunning. I loved it. Thank you so much. Got this beautiful flower. Now, I'm not sure if I know this flower or if we got something very similar that retired a long time ago. But look at this. This overlays. This beautiful flower then pops on dimensionals and sits in the center. I mean, you could slice that in half. Then you've got this gorgeous banner with a new sentiment going across the front. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Now, thank you for showing me these and sending these. We don't get, like I'm saying, the paper pumpkin. And sometimes now and then they will send, they'll allow us to purchase a paper pumpkin. But look at these. They've all got that gorgeous flower. I'm sure I've got some flowers somewhere very similar to this that have retired. And I found out with not so much as a paper pumpkin, a card kit, they're fetching the pandas back with different positions. But I'll have to, I'm not going to order the kit. Gloria, these are absolutely stunning. Thank you so, so much. I will make a video using those 2 kits. So if anyone in the UK, we've got Pauline, Catherine, Val, Ian. I can't think of anybody else. My head is spinning. But anyone in the UK wants these, drop me a message on Facebook, private message on Facebook. I love reds and blues and purples, so. And I love my, do you know what? I've got bags of these glue dots and I love them. I love them. I store them all up. And they come in different sizes. You've got teeny ones there against those. I just love them. Absolutely adore them. So I'm going to keep packing out because I'm running low. But thank you, Gloria, for replenishing my stash. I love it. You're a little angel. Oh, glory to our beautiful Lord and Saviour, sending these beautiful ladies to give ideas and gifts, as we all give gifts throughout the year to spread joy and happiness to other people. I absolutely love it. But yeah, come back on the next video, and I'm going to make, well, and let me know about these. This is for our gorgeous Ian. I think I'm going to write his name on the back because I know he likes purple. So, to Ian, love from gorgeous Gloria. And a big kiss on the back. So that's for you, Ian. So there we go. Let me know about the rest, ladies. I love you all to bits. I'm going to pop them in the bag that they came in. Again, we got the two greens. We got the pale and the deep pink. We got the sage and the sea green pearl. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to... and then we got the teal and yellow. And I've got another purple and pink. This one's definitely for Ian. So I'll put it in there. And if nobody wants it, I'll keep that one. And send you some more money, Gloria. Because these all take your time and effort. Absolutely beautiful. So there for our gorgeous Ian from the wonderful Gloria. So come back on the next video, girls. Take care and have fun. I love you all millions, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.